Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video we are going to see how the salary pay, how it will work, some new features in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the master setup, if I go to the setting, so here you can see I have added setting, that is employee salary fund percentage is 12. So for example, let's say I will select general and let's select the setting of employee salary provident fund percentage. So this value is by default 0, means without PF you can pay the salary. And now I have set the salary, that is 12% for the PF. So now let's say how it will work. Let's go to the HR management employee list. So here if I select this employee, let's say Janvi Jadhav, so I will go to I want to give August month salary, so I have mentioned all the details of this employee and I have saved also from here. Now let's go to the salary pay page. So here I will select the employee name and let's select the August month and just refresh. So here you can see salary is not paid. Now so all the details I have mentioned here. The 5,000 is the basic salary. So here you can see 600 is the PF. So I have added that setting, that is PF is calculated 12% on this basic salary. So now if I recalculate, here you can see the net pay is 4,400. So we can select the cash or bank from where we want to give the salary. So I will select cash and let's save the button. Now you can see we have saved this salary, means we have given salary to this employee. This is Janvi Jadhav. So if I go to the access control list, so let's select Janvi Jadhav here and let's give salary statement access. So I will search here salary statement and let's give this access. Now I will go to the employee list. So here let's log in for this employee. So just copy this and just sign out from here. So I will just copy this and let's log in for this employee. So here you can see this is employee login, and if I go to the HR management salary statement, here she can check the salary of the August month. Just refresh. Here you can see salary is paid and all the details of this salary statement she can check and she can take a printout as well from here. So this type the salary we can pay with PF and without PF using the setting in general. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.